and welcome. Amazon have a tons of products. Some we like, some we don't like, and among the products that we love to get, we may have additional questions than what is given in the product description and the product info page. So how can you ask a question to a seller in Amazon? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's guide, we're going to see how we can ask a question about a product in Amazon. Well, that's pretty simple. Let's say I want to get a product like so. So here, if I go to there and scroll, at some point you get a pop-up at the top saying questions, reviews. If there are questions already asked, you will have them in the question section. If you click on it, you can view questions asked in here. If you can't find it, you can just Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for ASK. Alright, once you've done it, you can see ask about a custom order and click on it. Now here you can ask a question and get all your questions answered by typing in here after clicking on something else few times. I hope you were not that annoyed. Right, now you know how to ask a question in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.